In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show epics on a board in Jira as a step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're managing a team using Scrum or Kanban, this feature can be incredibly helpful for organizing your work and keeping track of your epics effectively. So let's dive in and get started. First, you want to navigate to the project where your Scrum or Kanban board is set up. This is your starting point, and it's important to ensure you're in the right project so any configurations or changes you make will be applied correctly. Before moving on, take a moment to verify that you're in the correct project area. This will set the foundation for the changes you wish to make. Once you've ensured that you're in the right place, head over to your board. Next, you'll want to locate the group by drop-down menu. You'll find this menu in the top right corner of your board interface. This feature is designed to help you view your issues in different groupings, providing a versatile way to organize and visualize your tasks. It might seem like a simple tool, but it offers you the flexibility to see your work from several perspectives, making task management more intuitive and effective. Once you've opened the group by drop-down, you'll need to select epics from the menu options. By doing this, you're telling Jira to display your issues grouped by epics. This can be a game changer in terms of understanding the progress and workload of each epic across your board. Seeing everything mapped out by epics can give you a clearer, more structured view of your project's progression. After you've selected epics, you'll notice that your issues are now organized into swim lanes. Each swim lane corresponds to an epic. This setup is incredibly useful for providing a structured overview of each epic, allowing you to easily track what's being worked on under each one. It's particularly beneficial for those managing multiple projects or needing to keep an eye on how specific tasks align with overarching project goals. By following these steps, you can enhance your workflow and gain better visibility into your project structure. Viewing issues by epics not only helps you stay organized, but also streamlines communication among your team members. This way, everyone can see at a glance where each task stands within the bigger picture. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to showing epics on your board in Jira. By leveraging this feature, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient and focused project management experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and empowers you to make the most of your Jira boards. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.